How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our multicolor tri-color configurations here in our MultiColor Raptor-X Linear. So for example here, I brought a red-blue clear color unit and a red-blue amber color unit. So on my red-blue clear color unit, you'll see in my power mode 1 that I have a flash pattern programmed. And then on pattern mode 2, I have a different flash pattern programmed, so you can save up to 2 flash pattern memories. Now with clear in the color combination with our multicolor units, as clear is the secondary color, I can use my steady burn override with my flash pattern switch. So if I hold that down for a couple seconds, you'll see my unit will go into steady burn. And again, that's a multicolor unit, so it will steady burn in the secondary color order. So I can have a warning mode and a work light as well in our Raptor-X Linear. Over here, I brought a red, blue, amber color unit. Now on this one, in power mode 1, I went ahead and cycled to a red-blue flash pattern because in our MultiColor Raptor-X Linear, you will have multicolor flash patterns, your primary color flash patterns, and your secondary color flash patterns. So I have my unit set in a red-blue flash pattern here, and then on power mode 2, I have it set on my secondary color flash pattern, so I can easily swap between my primary and secondary colors by using my 2 power modes with my 2 flash pattern memories. So you'll see that you have plenty of functionality with our multicolor Raptor units and our new dual memory SIG plugs. So make sure to check out all of our new dash lights, mini light bars, and Raptor-X Visor Bars with the dual memory SIG plug. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.